Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to authenticate a Hytale server. All you have to do is go to your Server.pro panel and select your Hytale server. Then click the Start button to begin launching the server. In the console, you'll see a message with a link saying you have to authorize the server. All you have to do is click the link to open the Hytale website. Once you're there, you have to click Approve. Then it'll ask you to log in. You just have to log in to your preferred Hytale account sign-in method. Mine was Google, so I'll be clicking Google. Then once the device authorized pop-up appears, your server will be fully authenticated and ready to play. Keep in mind that if you have a cracked version of Hytale, this will not work, and therefore you won't be able to play online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.